So I explain you what we exactly will do if you have pain with your spine, with your lower back and with your neck. So first I make a little test, but first of all I explain you what exactly happened here. So what happened here is we have this plate here, this bed for massage and everything, and this have this swing of an 8 and 3-dimensional systems. The Schumann frequency is the Earth frequency, so this is very important to survive here in this 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional or 8, 7-dimensional world. So you have this endless movement, and in the middle here needs to be the middle of your body, and you have always swinging like an 8 with the frequency of the Earth. The healing frequencies of solfeggio, or a lot of healing frequencies, are transversal. The one and only we have is the Nikola Tesla frequency and Lakowski. This is a longitudinal system. This is heaven's energy of 150 megahertz. And I love to do this right now. Now don't stop the film. If you put it on, and there's I'm doing nothing, I make abracadabra and it's light. So maybe everybody knows a little bit this stuff of the picture of Nikola Tesla. Hey, ¿qué pasa? Sometimes it needs a little bit of time to load up. It's always like this. And you can think, or you can, to understand, I have nothing here, no button to make it on. If I do this, it does not happen anything. Yeah. And but we have this energy. It's only if you have enough energy. So you lay down there, your cellular system is full of, your little cellular system, full of energy and light. And what we do then is we take some needles into the painful points, give a lot of energy inside, so it's directly in the meridian system and the cellular system, and we have energy in your body. Abracadabra. Woo! Sha! Lucky Luke, huh?
Wow.
So it's not a miracle. I get it. We ought to take it. Take it. Grab it. Exactly. And now you see, you grab it, and the light is not here because it goes directly in your arm. It's amazing, huh? Nice to see it. Okay, that's all. This is exactly what happened with your body. So we have the energy from down under against the pain. We have later on, we have the Schumann frequencies, and also we have, especially with this special antenna, we have the energy of the needles in the meridian system. So it's more focus and focus in the end. It's not only focus, it's focus and focus. You know what I mean? So this is why it helps so good in the end. Let's start with it. Very good. So what I'm doing is I take the points with the thumb on the pelvis, and now move forward, please. Means like you're going, yeah. And then I can see exactly what I thought, that one thumb is going up, one thumb is not going up. So it's not in the same level. If you're going up again, go up, it goes back to the same level. So I'm not moving my thumb. I am directly on the bone here. But if you see it in the right here, the right now, only with the finger, you can see this is a little bit higher than this. This is what I exactly saw in the beginning, that the pelvis is not in the right position. So we need to make a little click, and then we can organize the rest of the spine. So do it again, please. So if she's doing it again, and I see that the one thumb is going out, the other not, like before, and I can also feel the bones here, and I exactly see that this is here, this is here, this is here, this is here. It's like with a little bit, I am working 33 years, you can exactly feel, oh wow, okay, this is a millimeter left, this is a millimeter right, or something like this. Okay, come up again. So in the end, I know what I need to do. A last little test is, this is what I'm doing also with a little bit experience. I go to this part of the spine, I move a bit the head, and then I see what spine, what vertebra is moving or not moving. Not moving means blocked. Yeah, I can do it also in rotation, in rotation, in rotation, in rotation, in rotation, rotation. So I would say number 2, number 3, number 5 is definitely blocked, and the rest can also be blocked because of the others are blocked. So what I would do is I make a little quick massage to relax the muscles, and that she get no pain, and also no pain in the tendons and muscles, or that they are drawn or something. So I make a little quick massage, then clicking the bones, then comes the needle. Okay? Yep. In this part, I directly start to bring the energy of Tesla into the body. Doesn't matter, you saw it with a lamp, doesn't matter wherever we do it, if the thing is here, first goes here, but also goes in the rest of the body, like we saw it with the lamp. Okay? So to have it more comfortable for the client, I give something, if they want, here to open the pelvis. I make a bit down, but always we behave and respect people. Yeah. I open here if I am able to. Okay. Always asking. Respect. Very important, respect. Next step is, I explain a whole treatment right now. We take silicium and also DMSO for a little mixture, and then I put a little bit of Thai box camphor oil or something like this. Camphor is very important, and I mixed it also with a little bit slippery oil for that the massage is not so hard for the people. This mixture, what I am doing here, and I mix it directly before I start with the massage. Oh yeah, and here I feel also it's blocked. Then the energy in course of the silicium and the DMSO goes quicker through the body. Helps a lot to heal the people. So I said I make a quick massage because the most important is only to warm up the muscle. And in a very quick, if you do it rightly, you see that the skin goes red. Deeper in, it's right now, it's warm. You feel it's getting warm inside?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So it's not heating up, it's only warming up. If we take later on the Tesla energy with the needles, you can feel it's heating up and directly in the meridian system. Several times I have some people, they say, I don't believe in meridian. Then I put a needle inside, make this with this antenna, and they say, oh, I feel it here, here, here. And they say, these are the nerves. I say, no, it's not the nerve. Look at there, because I had a picture with nerves. I said, look at here, the nerve is not going over there. Then this is a meridian system, what you're feeling right now. And then they start to believe in meridian system. And I say, so there's nothing to believe, it's energy. Now you feel your normal energy. Happy birthday, the first time you feel your energy. It's very nice sometimes to make new experience in all things. The result is what we are doing here, while I'm doing this, is very old knowledge, like Tibetan knowledge, 8,000 years old knowledge about human beings, with connected with heaven and earth, with nature, with animals, with crystals, with a lot of things. We're always connected. Everything is energy. And in the quantum world, the material world exists only in 0.0021 of all of the universe is material. So the rest is only energy. And what I am doing here is the old knowledge using with new energies, that you don't need to go 10 years in a Kung Fu temple or meditation temple to learn or to feel something, or you run from one treatment to the next to understand or to feel something. No, it's directly you feel it in the right here, in the right now. I made several things. If I didn't have had these machines, I'm working 33 years right now with acupuncture and Tai Chi Chuan and meditation. Meditation 45 years. I don't look like 45 years, no, I'm older. But in the end, it is what we do is understanding what always is there. Children are having this feeling a lot of time, or they still have it, and step by step, more and more on the material world, we forget more and more what exactly happened inside of us. But it's not that it's away. A lot of people think, oh, I forgot it's away. No, it's not true. You only need to remind what exactly you felt if you in your childhood maybe, or before, before you started to be born. And this does not matter if you believe in reincarnation or not reincarnation, or be in religion or not in religion. I have no religion, but I also say Buddha and Jesus are very big masters, and they explain in the end everything about what we are also doing here in another kind of way. It's another point of view. Helping people is also a good thing. Good for karma. So this is not so strong. The other side was stronger. The muscles. It's only a little bit in the pelvis. You feel it, huh? So some people who knows about massage see that I go deeply in the muscles to relax the muscles. Also, I touch the tendons to relax the tendons while I'm doing this. So it goes quicker. That she has that the muscle blocks the movement what we do later on, and so we cannot draw the muscle or something and cause pain. This is what I am doing now is very important. Okay. A lot of people who make this Shiro techniques or something like this, or osteopathy or so, that don't prepare the muscles before. I think this is not a very good idea to treat somebody in a holistic kind of way, I would say. Yeah, you need to see everything as one. Body, mind, soul, energy, everything is one. Okay, now I'm coming up because I'm using my weight right now and I have enough of this. Breathe in with a deep breathe in and breathe all out you have. Correct. Again, in and out. In and out. Okay, this one we could click. This is a very good idea because then if I move now the hips, it's not blocking here. So turn around, please. Breathe in and out. Okay, this is not clicking, but the other side you will see. Yeah, also what a lot of people don't think is the psychological side is a lot of people have fear. But if you're blocked in fear or if you're blocked in anger or something, I recognize always inside of myself that humor helps me to see this world not so dark anymore, you know. That's why. So this here, okay, this out, 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 this straight, 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 this out, 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 this a bit more here, yeah. Breathe in with a deep breathe in. Now it's coming, breathe out, out, out. That it was. The other side clicks, I said. Does it make pain? No, it's a little bit scary at the first moment because of the click and what happened there, and but in the end it's not painful. This is very important to know. Always if I'm doing that, because a lot of people say, oh, last time I did it with somebody and it makes a lot of pain. Yeah, because you didn't prepare the muscle first, and then you need to feel also how far you can go. No? And don't do it with brute force. Do it with feeling energy. That's the secret. Is not thinking, is feeling. So sit up, please. This hands cross fingers behind head. Yeah. So breathe in with a deep breathe in. Breathe out with a deep breathe out. A lot of clickies. So I have this warm cream on my head. This is why I use a towel, because your face is burning if I touch your face right now. So we start to this side. Look behind my left ear, please. Only with the eyes, not with the head. Relax head. Relax head, yeah. That's it. No pain, huh? So we go to the other side, the same here. Look with the eyes, my behind my ear. A lot of more Yeah. So this is what I said. Number 2, 3, 4, about 5 years, and it clicked 3 times on this side. So how do you feel right now?
Be honest.
I'm having the party before she said something, you know. What we do right now is the needles in your back, okay? So lay down again. The big difference, what I always tell the people is a big difference between the traditional Chinese medicine acupuncture, but it's not so old because it's not so much tradition. In course of the cultural revolutions, they changed a lot of ideas in cause of the communism, of the energy of the acupuncture. So what I'm doing is Chinese medicine in the end as a base, but with these enormous energies of the Tesla and the Schumann frequencies, we don't need to use so much needles anymore. This is why I completely changed the strategy of using acupuncture in this kind of way, and I wrote this book that I wrote. First of all, we take the door of heaven point. The door of heaven point in that is to relax the whole body in the feeling, and the other is to reactivate the brain, to say, hey brain, heal here, and I put the needle here. Then I have a connection in the energy from here to here. So hey brain, remember, heal here. This is what I'm doing in the end. So what I'm doing is, you can also using the shoe points, but in course of this, that she has only a little bit problems in the neck, I use one of the needles to heal the whole neck. In the energy of meditation, you can understand why I'm using this point and not this point where the pain is. So there we have less percent more, less healing. Here we have the power of, in the meditation or in the prayers, the Buddhists get the monks get the energy from here, not from here, of heaven. This is why I have this reflection point. This is secret, nothing else. And for the pelvis, I only use the Kundalini point because it has a lot to do with the pelvis, with the mark in the bones. Oh. It's directly doing something inside.
Mm.
Now I'm making balance, because in the first moment it goes directly out to this side. So this is why the power is not, but it doesn't matter. We have this machine and we do exactly bringing energy inside to balance the energy inside. So also what I'm doing is, this is a lot of people learn only the acupuncture system with the meridian points, and we also have a geometric in the body with the chun points. One chun is this one arm. Everybody knows with Pretty Woman, the underarm is as long as your feet or something like this. So we have something like geometric in the whole body, 3-dimensional. Sometimes we use with power 4-dimensional with time. And to bring the pelvis in balance, I use these points, very important points, to bring this in the energy in balance. The energy is like water, looks automatically in the natural kind of way where it needs to go and where it needs to be. So then I'm coming around, and like I did it with the lamp, I hope you remember, I'm doing now exactly the same with the needle. So first of all, you say stop if it's painful. I use a mind point.
Oh.
Okay, I think it means
That
stop.
was stop. Yeah.
So it's a vertebra point, the energy vertebra point, not the anatomic vertebra point. Here you say stop. It's not the same power.
Yep.
Okay, but it's a strong power too, huh? Okay, the next is the Kundalini point. This means stop. The next is the pelvis point, directly stop. The next is this pelvis point. Needs a little bit more time for energy. That's how we see it.
So
If it does not work because it's less energy, we can also use the special antennas in this kind of way or in this kind of way. This is especially for acupuncture. Or we can also, to make more power inside, we can use it in this kind of way. Or we can also use it in this kind of way with contact to the body.
Stop.
This means stop, and that's why what happened. So if I need to have a little bit more power, I can use the special antennas. Now we do the second lap. We do always 3 laps. Why? I will explain a bit later. Not so much later. So you say stop again.
Stop.
Okay, this is stop.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, before I'm doing the next point, you will see if I want to make this trick with the light, I need to go very close to here. Yeah? But if the needles are together, to treat one needle, I don't need to go. This is stop. I take the other one. I hope we can see it because it goes quick. Now, this is sometimes, if you show something, then it does not happen. Normally it goes, the light goes on with the other. With the other, but it's always like where the energy is needed. We can also try it out here again. If it's not working, not so bad, because I have several films of this where everybody can see that every needle is also, if I put here, then I put here is another one.
Connecting.
They're connected. One I had here and the other here, very far away, with Arthur Trick, who made these machines, and it was amazing. It was directly on this far that you treat every needle. This is why we only do 3 times, because if I have 4 needles and you do 3 times, you have 12 time. You have giving energy in the needle. So we have a lot of energy, and we have a very good strategy in how to use the energies. You say stop?
Stop.
Yeah. So now we have 5, so 5 to, it's 15 times that there is energy in the meridian system in cause of this little antennas too. This is an antenna, this is an antenna too.
Stop.
Okay, not to forget is while I'm doing this, and we can see it, here's the energy, can also see here is also with this machine. So I do exactly the same what I showed before with the lamp, yeah, inside of the body. So it's not tricky. It's you can see it, she can feel it, and this is a big difference. So it's not a miracle. It's a quantum physics technique. So here I stop. If I stop with these needles, I put this little ear needles as a permanent needle, that the information, this is not very comfortable for, I cut my nails. Yeah, these little needles, I hope somebody can see it. Then I put this out. Normally you can do your thumb or your finger on it, and then you keep the energy inside of the body. A lot of people didn't learn this in the Western world, but I learned this from the beginning. Now they learn it too. And now I put this little needle directly on this point. So I close, the energy stays in the body, and with this little needle it has also always, with every movement, a little information. Hey, don't forget to heal here, yeah? Like this, okay? Next. Later. Next. So last, because in cause of the hair we don't put a needle in the head, but it's also not necessary. Everybody, you can see it's red right now. So it's here you can see directly how strong the energy, we call it a field, and how strong it just started to work inside of her body. So you can see it, you can not only feel it, you can also see it, how strong it works. So in the end, I put out this head needle and close with my finger several seconds, 1 to 3 seconds. Okay, that's it. So this is, now we have a lot of energy inside of the body. What we're doing right now is, you only lay down, please, with your head here. Yeah. Okay. The ring now is here. You see? This means I have the energy in the neck, I have the energy in the pelvis. Yeah? So you have the energy here, you have the energy here. All the Tesla energy with these little needles. I put a little bit down because the middle is here. The middle is in the level of the dantian high point, so in the middle of the body in a physical way. Then we can, if it's cold, make a bit more comfortable to the client. With women, this is very important for the men. I always make it a little bit more comfortable, because women has always cold feet, because that we can warm the feet. Very tricky, huh? I'm somebody who understands.
And very true.
It's very true. Yeah, we need to be useful for something.
Yes.
If we are not useful for this, can we be useful? So then starts the energy, magic energy from the Schumann frequency with the Tesla energy, like I showed before. Tesla energy here, and the Schumann frequency in the same moment. You're comfortable? This normally we don't need to do a long time. Sometimes if the people has no time, 5 minutes enough, but I always do 15 minutes, and we have time and they are laying down and they need to relax. Sometimes I also say, okay, lay down 30 minutes, no problem. A lot of people say, oh no, 30 minutes too much, but nobody went out here and was stupid or something wrong. Everybody was more relaxed after using this. So now we let her stay a bit alone, 10 to 15 minutes, and then we have later on a point of view and about her reaction, okay?
Ready.
Okay, action, okay. Now we go in and have a look how she feels. So, start to come in this dimension again. Back to this universe, she don't want to.
She's sleeping already.
Look her face, she don't want to come back. So, I open here. And what happened right now is that you will realize the moment of the magic moment. What is very important after the treatment is feel what happened inside of your whole body, what you feel in your whole cellular system, and your energy inside of the body right now. So you want to explain what you feel, or you want to enjoy? Still want
like mint a pezsegne az egész testem. Like my body.
The whole body sparkling.
And very light, and it's very good.
So enjoy a bit more this moment. We make a little stop. We wait outside, and then we have a look how you feel if you go outside, okay? So you don't want to come up again anymore? No?
She said it was like she felt her heart in the whole body.
Ah, very good. How do you feel right now? No pain anymore? Abracadabra, only one treatment and you feel like this. Please contact me tomorrow and tell me how you feel after a night. Yeah, we always need to wait a little bit how it works, and then we can decide if we continue the treatment, if you need a second one or maybe a third one, or if it's enough and you're happy.
Okay.
Best is it's enough, you're happy. Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.